Hi everyone, in today's video we want to find the angle of PRQ, and in the question we were given that angle QPR is 58 degree, angle QPR equal to 58 degree, angle SPR is 73 degree, angle SPR equal to 73 degree, and we're also given that PS is a tangent to the circle at P, and the question says we should find angle PRQ. Angle PRQ is currently unknown. Angle X, angle QPR, and angle SPR, they are angle on a straight line, and sum of angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So we can say angle X plus angle QPR plus angle SPR equal to 180 degree. So let us substitute the value of angle QPR and angle SPR into this equation. X plus 58 degree plus 73 degree equal to 180 degree. X plus 58 degree plus 73 degree will give us 131 degree equal to 180 degree. So let us transpose 131 degree to the right hand side. X equal to 180 degree minus 131 degree, and X equal to 49 degree. So the value of our X, which is this angle, is 49 degree. Now let us find angle PRQ using alternate segment theorem. An alternate segment theorem says angle between a chord and a tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So the theorem says mathematically that angle PRQ is equal to X. Angle PRQ is equal to X, and our X is 49 degree. So angle PRQ equal to 49 degree. So the correct option here is 49 degree. If you find this video helpful, kindly like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.